Etiefo memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. I'm going to speak on this issue. Now, it is a worry. Me Melodies amiti hey. This thing is a big worry. Now, I am going to speak on a different perspective. Okay, a different perspective. Ebia obeti asie because story na abano. Enkrofo bebre afa ne normal. Maybe nsɛm ni so atrɛ ma we hu ne sɛ enye normal saa. Na wate asie. Media menam social media and I become who say GTV Ghana. In fact, I even thought say a parody account. And I'm a core account in who said that be a parody account, a real account. GTV Ghana for eba edin kan ba be posti ebe make post e Twitter. CCI friend X. Now we post na wo mu make ye na or say police stop illegal demolition of GBC bungalows at Weja by Deputy Minister of Information, Sly Tete. And I may say, what is going on in this country? Why would GTV Ghana post this? And so that is when I went to the account to see that indeed GTV Ghana for account because omo tagi minister no, Deputy Minister no. Na me say that be me nko account ni mu na me nko hwe me ko na me kun say e real. Na se won ti ase a GTV for say Omo GTV for people who don't understand, GBC a Ghana Broadcasting Company. GTV, I friend obianim GTV, Ghana Television, GTV no. Omo share GBC ase. Inti obia oye juma o GTV bia no, oye juma ema GBC. Inti GTV for say omo bungalows, ni eka se bungalows a. Na tre se enan a yesisi ama omo juma ye for. Bebi omo juma ye for da. Omo bungalows a omo juma ye for da no. Minister, Deputy Minister, a friend is Sly Tete. Wakwa kofa infidie ema ye baba be bubu bebi a GTV for eda. Inti GTV for ni di mirika eko free police for ebae. Police for ne bae na police for ne babe stop ya die na ekoso no. GTV for wie ye no. Ena mind you, GTV is state broadcaster. It is controlled by the states. And not Shannon soon. GTV for we no. And no mobile post Deputy Minister no. Nimfoni. And oka say this is the Deputy Minister for Information and MP for Botiano English Amanfro. Honorable Sylvester Tete. Note: a lawmaker must not be seen to be breaking the law. A word to a wise, we shall return. GTV for eba be posti minister nimfoni eka say minister wey oni ye ka minister ono no ye mbra eni kwan say minister obubu mbra na dia minister yi wo ye beba biom GTV for ye beba biom ye den nsem foforo ebeba ba beto Ghana fo enim me hu ye na me say hey, am I dreaming? Na ehọ na me wadanfo bi oye MPP ni ehọ no kra asem ne ye ni hin emo no kra twe madwen ba besi so say infidie na minister no o de call site for e de ko bubu GTV for edan no eye sa drip sa caterpillar si ya yese ba omiamo MPP for akwa kraba na last minute yese o momambe yi kwan ewo constituency ne district bia no e na minister yi e de sa caterpillars no e no de akọ e de ko bubu GTV for endan. Let me tell you something, and this is me being as real as ever. About we are yekotu you. One, it is either say Nyankopon epese wo gu MPP fo enimu ase. Nti enimu ase na opese odigu MPP fo no emu no. Enu hu nti Nyankopon ahyeda e na wama ahantan ababesi omoso. If you read the Bible, obe realize say yesi obi a Nyankopon pese ogu nenimu ase bia no. Eya na oma ahantan ebabesi se nipa kro ne so. Nti there is a saying say pride comes before a fall. na ye o sa saying no nti wo ya hantan a na trese wo ba hwe ase no nti one either say nyankopon pese wo gu MPP fo ni mu ase eno hu nti wo de hantan aba besi omo so ana say two MPP fo du baabi a wo mu hu Ghana fo say ye nipa mpo omo mbu yen say ye nipa ana say three MPP fo ewo gidie bi say abato wei okosroba from krana obi ama omo gidie say wo mo bewie mu nti omo betumi ayeden ayede omo pe three things ebetu inyama miense yi it is either one. Now the reason why I'm saying this and say ojimi fo mpo onim say ye beto aba na opese ye toma ne party na embredu less than 20 days, about 2 weeks to about war. Ojimi fo mpo obesua nyanse hu ne se dabi. This time there botoyemu. This time in your time e was say me did to me any mrika eko say me ko sizi asase me ko ji asase free nkrofo say me ko bubu dan. Ojimi fo mpo obesua sa nyansa no. Because onim say we are in a serious political season. Any coin so kokoye mistake bia. It is a nipa krone person take action bi say krana obedwendwen ho 2233. Ojimi fo. This is not the time our baby say. Na de mi hi eye me wanwa kra ne say. Enye se wo de ye ordinary person o. Or the ye a state company. As a state company no, omo ye media company. Eye the longest just say ye can GTV the whole Ghana. And there a crasy bi wo still omo nchi other stations, but GTV there baby akwa say MTN no everywhere you go. The oldest media broadcaster in this country is GTV. Wan dwe hu ne se made enye obi akeke na mede koye koye GTV omo betumi a report ebegu aban nanimu ase omo betumi a report ebegu menimu ase wan dwe hu ema wako si wokobubu no. And you know how police Ghana, they are controlled by politicians to the point where the police had to come to stop them. Not just a police ni kre hu ne say minister yi ade a wokoye ye na na aseme nye de. Do you understand what I'm saying? They make a note here. Eye nibre ben. Nibre no. Eye akwa kodu hin. Mwa jije nkrofo nsase ebubu nkrofo. Hey, me say I have never heard in the history of this country abanya wabaso a trese ye jije nkrofo nsa. Hey, iti MPP for embrenim for adebia mokasa mumu ni membra no. Se ne ya na mutumi de tumi koko bubu nkrofo da ya na eme wanwa. Na se ya enche last month to say last 2 months na me dey report by ya. And also cantonment nipa chronicle no ye MPP ni kese otinifia ne say encrophobia aba bebubu. You see the way these people they take the laws into their hands. Etumi an ahomachi awada ni etumi aba bebubu dan keke no. Eye dangerous o. And now it has become normal in this country that even ministers are not afraid because they know that at the end of the day nothing is going to happen to them. Do you know what it means for GTV, the oldest state broadcaster, to come and post a picture of a deputy minister to say, oye mbrenim for una oye mbra, nanso wu tia mbra, wo de yebeba biom ubehu. To tag him on social media, to post the videos to say nipa krowe baba be bubu yedan. Do you know what it means? I have never heard it before. MPP4 in Japadi omo jeje. Ghana International School or why yes yakoji omo nsa ase. We Ghana International just Nkrofo a woman says your matena so ache for so many years. MPP for the bear 1 week pe in the name of me a minister, me a national security when or see or bebubuna. Would you a libre bay? Diamodia Ghana for Nensumo. State properties now for mu bubu mu pe. Dear. Asa man cranny.